वेलकम टू द शेफ पेन स्टूडियो। और आज मेरे साथ एक बड़ी प्रोफेशनल बेकर हैं रश्मि जी। रश्मि जैन का अपना यहाँ पर काम है, बहुत दिल्ली के अंदर केक बनाती हैं, पर इनकी खासियत ये है ये सिर्फ एगलेस और वीगन डिशेस बनाती हैं। तो आज हम एक केक बनाने लगे हैं जिसके बारे में रश्मि जी आपको बताएंगी वो केक क्या है और कैसे बनेगा। ओवर टू यू रश्मि।
हेलो एवरीवन। सो आज हम प्लम केक बना रहे हैं, एगलेस प्लम केक, क्योंकि क्रिसमस का टाइम है। आई थिंक प्लम केक इज liked by everyone and this is the season. I have this ये soaked nuts हैं इसमें, candied fruits basically, जो कि आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। We have some cranberries, tutti frutti, raisins and blueberries and apricots. All of these are soaked in this. This is soaked for about 3 weeks now. And the other one जो हमारे पास है ये 2 साल से soaked है. So this is for the smoky flavor. And this is soaked in rum, our old monk rum.
इसके बगैर कोई काम नहीं अच्छा होता क्रिसमस में।
जी बिल्कुल।
रश्मि मुझे बताएं कि ये टूटी फ्रूटी क्या होती है?
बेसिकली पेठा होता है।
हाँ।
ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਰੰਗ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ।
So it's from good old Agra.
Yeah, you can say so.
Lovely. So making an eggless cake, what are the danger signals here? What are the points that you need to worry about?
There's nothing really to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
No.
Novice like me can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
The first thing which I would like to tell is, for the dry ingredients, it's always better to sieve your flour and your ingredients, the dry ingredients, because it helps the cake to be spongy. We take a cup of flour. So this is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. If you wish to add whole wheat flour, you can do so.
Whole wheat flour, does it dramatically change the texture? मतलब बिल्कुल change हो जाता है, ज़्यादा thick हो जाता है या हल्का हो जाता है?
It makes the cake dense.
Dense ज़्यादा हो जाता है।
Yes.
पर ये ज़्यादा dense नहीं होना।
No, this is going to be a little fluffy.
जी।
Plus, when you add nuts to it, it any which ways becomes little dense.
जी।
Because a lot of nuts in the plum cake. For the color of the plum cake, we are just adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa flour. To this, I'm gonna add some spices. Half a spoon of cinnamon, half a spoon of ginger powder. This is a dry ginger powder, जिसे हम सुंड भी कहते हैं. 1/4 teaspoon of clove long, and again 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now to this, we'll add a pinch of salt.
Yeah, sugar doesn't work without salt. Correct.
1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna whisk it, mix it all. So then,
अरे खुशबू देखो इसमें से क्या बढ़िया उठ रही है।
yeah, this is freshly grounded
जी।
spices. So here we're done with the dry ingredients. Now coming to the wet ingredients, we'll take half a cup of neutral oil.
So this oil is really the substitute for eggs.
Yes, eggs, butter.
Yeah. Okay.
Because butter would make this cake a little hard.
Okay.
So generally,
Oil will keep
oil
it
is a
airy.
safe. It keeps the cake moist.
And this preferably has to be a very neutral oil. Obviously, you can't use mustard oil. No.
That has a very strong flavor.
Yes.
The cake won't be cake anymore then. So half a cup of condensed milk.
So this condensed milk has to be sweetened, or can it be unsweetened?
This is sweetened only. We are not adding any extra sugar.
Sugar. But if you got condensed milk which was unsweetened, then you would have to add sugar.
This is about half a cup of condensed milk. We're gonna just whisk this.
Okay.
So what happens is the oil gets mixed with the condensed milk.
So this is the process of emulsification, right?
Yes. Now we add half a cup of curd, because the cake needs moisture. So egg has a lot of moisture. So if we are substituting it, so we'll have to use all these ingredients. I generally like to put powdered flaxseed, because again, that's a very good egg replacement.
Is that right?
Flax seeds.
ये सुना आपने? कितनी बढ़िया बात है।
So, see, as you can see, this is like a very creamy
Slurry.
and milky consistency. Now, we add vanilla essence to it. So, 1 tablespoon of, teaspoon, sorry, of vanilla essence. Years, and this is just 3
Can I
weeks.
smell that?
Yes, you may.
Oh God.
जितना सोक होगा उतना स्मोकी होगा flavor.
Oh God. ये ज़्यादा मीठा है, ये स्मोकी है।
Because this is freshly, I mean, in hardly 3 weeks now.
ये चमत्कार है जी ओल्ड मॉन्ग्राम का।
So now to this we are gonna mix this dry ingredients and the wet ones. And slowly and gradually you mix all the flour. Just mix it nicely, and you can see it's thick. The batter is thick, which we are gonna adjust with our soaked fruits and orange juice now.
This has become so dense.
Yes. So when we add some fruits and juice to it,
It'll become
the
all right.
consistency will adjust. So this is a mixture of all of these, which we've kept here in the old monk rum. And I'm adding some old ones into this. At this stage, to adjust the consistency, we're adding the orange juice. And slowly and gradually you have to, there's no measurement as such. It's
You got to get the feel for it.
correct.
It should be a pouring consistency.
No, it has
No.
to be a little thicker.
Take a.
We use some
There we are.
rum. I'm so happy to use this. Spoon again, I say.
This is so boozy. We are all going to get drunk on the cake.
This is gonna evaporate.
Can I taste this?
Sure, you can. We can add a little bit sugar if you feel this.
Oh no, it's perfect. That bite that you get from the ginger is very interesting. So this is where a cook की touch and feel आती है कि वो देख के चीज़ को समझ जाता है कि किस कंसिस्टेंसी पे ले जाना है और इसका कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है कि how your ingredients will react.
So the batter is ready, and we are going to line our pan to bake it. So I've already cut this parchment paper according
ये
to.
सब तो मुश्किल कम है तेनू पता है
हाँ जी.
बाकी सारा कुछ आसान है
इसलिए अपना
इन्हों लाइन करना बड़ा मुश्किल
आपा
है
पहले ही कर लिया इन्हों, and we could just gonna apply some oil and line the tin, the pan. हम इसमें पार्चमेंट पेपर लगा रहे हैं
जी।
ताकि इसका जो मॉइस्चर है वो रहे केक में, क्योंकि जब आप बेक करते हैं ये प्लम केक जो है थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए बेक होता है, इसलिए हम इसको साइड पे भी लाइन करते हैं। जनरली हम हर केक में ज़रूरी नहीं होता, बट प्लम केक हम साइड में भी पार्चमेंट पेपर लगाते हैं। Our tin is lined, as you can see, and we're
और
gonna
अब आप इसको इसके अंदर पोर कर देंगे।
जी।
ये ना बहुत
Oh, it
बढ़िया,
smells so good.
ये इसको ना बढ़िया से टोस्ट पे लगाओ और इसको खाओ।
बैटर को आखी गाल का तुसी। We're just gonna, I think,
Knock the air out
yes, just tap it,
and
just
smooth
smoothen
the
it.
top.
And on the top of it, I'm gonna put some soaked fruits because that looks really beautiful. And once the cake is baked, तो बहुत अच्छा सा sheen और shine आता है. So now. That's correct.
मैंने बना, इसको काटूंगा नहीं क्योंकि मैं अभी कॉफ़ी के इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ,
Oh, nice.
तो कॉफ़ी के साथ लूँगा, पर आप इन द मीन टाइम इसकी ज़रा शक्ल सूरत बढ़ा दीजिए।
जी बिल्कुल। So ये सन ड्राइड ऑरेंजेस हैं जिनसे हम ये डेकोरेट करने लगे हैं इसको थोड़ा सा। I think that's
आप
it.
इसकी सर्विस करेंगे इसके बाद,
Yes.
काटेंगे और खाएंगे। हाँ जी, ये मेरी हार्ड वर्क की आज आउटकम है, ये निशानी भी कह सकते हो। आज मैं पहली बार किसी केक के नेड़े भी गया, रश्मि जैन दी बदौलत। एगलेस प्लम केक ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗਾ, ਇਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾਏਗਾ, और जिस तरह केक खाता जाता उस तरह ही खावांगा। अरे रश्मि, मजा आ गया बिल्कुल, वेल डन।
It's still a little warm.
Did I do a good job? Don't be critical about everything.